Guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng effective, best skincare product dito na sa Philippines and FDA approved, huwag na kayong pumunta saan pa, panoorin nyo ang video nito. So today, ang i-feature natin na product ay si Skinever. Skinever is FDA approved na skincare company. Sa araw na to, meron silang product na pinadala sa akin, which is yung vitamin C set nila. Is ito. Vitamin C set nila, guys. Ito. Apat ang laman ng vitamin C set. At meron itong facial cleanser, whitening toner, brightening cream, at saka yung last is yung brightening serum nila. And then, meron din silang pinadala na salicylic acid na exfoliating body lotion. So, which is ito. And yung kanilang pang-underarm cream na product, which is also at the same time a deodorant whitening cream. And the last one is yung makeup remover nila. So sa video na to, guys, mag-unboxing tayo kung anong laman at ano ang mga product at saka ingredients ng kanilang mga products. Kasi I know that I have created a different skincare product brand, guys, and always kong na-highlight talaga kung ano yung mga ingredients at laman ng mga products nila, especially yung mga set. And then, at the end of this video, gagawa din ako ng tutorial on how you will be using these products. Kasi when I did a research, guys, nung pinili ko yung vitamin C na set, talagang ni-research ko kung paano siya gagamitin. And I don't see a guided steps on how to use it. So, ngayon, ito yung video na dapat nyong panoorin. First, isa-isahin muna natin yung mga products na pinadala nila. Kung ano nga ba yung laman at saka para saan ang mga products na to. So, vitamin C na set, guys, meron siyang brightening facial cleanser. So, it helps to brighten your skin and moisturize at the same time. Meron siyang arbutin and ceramide. After mo siyang ma-open, you can consume it for 12 months, meaning 1 year after mo siyang na-open, before siyang mag-expired, no? But I guess if you will be using this every day, definitely yung mga products na to ay mauubos lang in less than 12 months. Open na natin, guys, and let's see. So, ganito siya, yung product niya, and makita mo yung mismong laman. Next, yung toner naman nila will also brighten skin complexion, improves dryness and dullness. I think the vitamin C will help me with the dryness of my skin because makikita nyo dry naman talaga yung skin ko in the past days. After I use this, siguro mga a month, makita ko na yung improvement ng skin ko, guys. It's a 100 ml na toner and it's also the same, guys. 12 months din siya after mong ma-open at magamit yung product. So far, nung nag-open ako ng product ng Skinever, I think the only way you can confirm na talagang legit yung box is makikita ninyo, meron siyang Skinever na parang naka-engrave na Skinever sa box niya. That will help you guys identify na ito ay mismong product ni Skinever or legit siya na product ni Skinever. Kasi sometimes meron talagang mga copycat na hindi legit, no? Ganito siya, parang pang skin yan talaga. So, open nyo lang at saka pwede daw siyang gamitin with cotton or pwede din siyang i-dab ng inyong mukha. I-dab sa inyong kamay and then dab sa inyong face, which is the usual na ginagamit ko. Ayoko sa cotton. To be honest, I don't usually use cotton for any toner or liquid sa product ko kasi parang na-absorb siya ng cotton. So, why not should I just tap it in my face? Meron tayong cream here. So, by the way, after this video, I will figure out kung paano ko siya gagamitin. Sino bang mauuna, yung cream or si serum? I have to research pa nun kasi hindi ko din alam kung sino yung mauuna, sino yung baka si cream pang morning, baka si serum pang pang gabi. Ganon. So I'll figure it out, guys. Or baka mauna si cream o mauna si serum. So it's either way. I think si cream. But let's see. It is. So, ganito siya. It's a 30 grams na cream. And when you open, ang nakaganda is meron siyang spatula. There. Para hindi mo siya needed na gamitan ng kamay. No? Kasi nga, it's an hygiene na dapat hindi dumapo ng mga kung ano-ano yung dyan, yung skin. Gamit ka ng spatula which is free na siya or included siya mismo ni Skinever na product. And again, yung serum guys, which is one of the things that I'm excited about kasi fan ako ng serum. It's just that nagstick lang muna ako sa moisturizer for now. For the serum, it is a 20 ml na serum. So, one thing that I'm also aiming with my skin is parang yung kapag lalabas ka, you don't need any foundation, any lalagay mo sa mukha mo. Gusto ko yung magbabrighten lang siya on its own without any foundation na nilalagay. So, kumbaga glass skin yung atake. Ganito si serum. And same thing then, 12 months din after siyang na-open. So, yeah, there. Ayaw mag-focus ng camera ko. Ito. Yeah. Second to the last is yung underarm cream nila. Ayoko mo nang i-open kasi meron kasi ako ngayong ginagamit na pang underarm at gusto ko siyang ubusin, tapusin before akong gagamit nito. At saka yung underarm cream nila guys, nilagay din dito na 12 months after mo siyang ma-open before siya ma-expire. So, ayokong sayangin yung ilang months and days na inopen ko siya tapos hindi ko din siya immediately magagamit. So, magfo-focus lang muna ako dito sa vitamin C na product natin. And the last one is yung makeup remover nila. Sometimes kasi guys, minsan kasi kapag nasa labas ako, outdoor, saka medyo mainit sa labas, hindi ako nakakahilamos agad-agad. So, you know, gagamit ako ng wipes for my face para mas magiging refresh yung mukha ko. So, yun. So, those are the products of Skinever that they sent over to me, guys, para matry. Then, after this, mag-video tutorial tayo on how we will be using it. So, kakatapos ko lang maligo guys at maggagamit tayo ng salicylic acid weightless exfoliating body lotion nila. Yung pinaka-importanting ingredient na meron daw ito is yung mayroon siyang vitamin E, centella, at saka ceramide. So, yung kiniklaim ng product na ito is nag-exfoliate daw ito para i-reveal yung smooth skin ninyo, moisturize rough and dry skin, and it will also improve our texture at saka mag-glow yung skin. So as you can see on my skin guys, talagang ni-record ko before and after para makita natin yung kanyang difference. Dry yung skin ko, uneven yung skin tone, at makikita nyo talaga na hindi siya even. Recommended itong gamitin every after mag-shower, and I highly recommend that twice siyang gamitin, morning at saka evening. Next natin gagamitin guys is yung vitamin C set na which is I'm so excited to use kasi nga dry and dull na yung skin ko sa face. So first na gagamitin natin is yung brightening facial cleanser nila na meron ng arbutin at saka ceramide. Ang cleanser nila guys ay meron na siyang sweet orange extract at meron siyang hyaluronic acid. I'm sorry for my pronunciation kasi nahihirapan po ako. Hindi ako magaling sa mga ganito. But anyways, it helps daw to brighten the skin and also moisturize. I suggest in using this one is to use it in the morning at saka in the evening. So if you are working in an office guys or outdoor that you need to have something on your face na makeup, I would suggest to use a cleanser to wipe out your makeup. Next is yung brightening toner nila na meron ng vitamin C, niacinamide at saka centella. Alam nyo ba ang purpose ng toner guys is para isara yung open pores ninyo after maligo o di kaya after nyong hugasan ng inyong faces. The moment kasi open yung pores ninyo is you are letting the dirt to come inside of your skin. Kaya mainam na isasara natin ito gamit ang ating toner. Next is yung brightening serum nila na meron ng vitamin C, niacinamide, arbutin, at saka steel centella. Lightweight lang ang product na to guys and non-sticky pa. This is an antioxidant brightening serum and help us to lighten our skin and improve our dullness. Yung first impression ko talaga nung ginamit ko yung vitamin C set na guys is talagang na-absorb siya ng skin mo. Meaning lightweight lang siya at hindi mabigat. Yung bang tipong parang nilagay mo lang siya pero hindi mo na feel na mabigat siya. Last but not the least is yung brightening cream nila na meron ng vitamin C, niacinamide, alpha-arbutin. Non-greasy feels yung cream nila guys kasi ang bilis niyang mag-absorb sa skin. It also helped me to deep moisturize and repair my damaged skin. That will also help me to fade my dark spots. Alam niyo sa mga sensitive na skin guys, I highly recommend na gumamit kayo ng vitamin C. Super refreshing talaga nung ginamit ko yung vitamin C. And of course, it's perfect for all type of skin. So kung ikaw ay isang merong sensitive skin, then I highly suggest use the vitamin C set. Meron ding iba't ibang products si Skinever for acne prone na skin. So I highly suggest visit niyo yung Shopee nila which is ililink ko sa baba. Pinili ko lang talagang itry yung vitamin C because I don't have any acne. I just have a dull skin that I wanted to be a glowing one after I use this. Kumbaga gusto kong ibalik yung glow ng skin ko. Yung mag-lighten ng skin ko at saka mag-fade yung dark spots. So kung same po kayo na ini-aim yung glass skin, then I highly suggest the vitamin C set. So that's it guys. Skinever is available in Shopee and I will be linking in the description box below. Itatag ko yung products kung saan nyo siya mabibili. Check out now kasi I think nung nakita ko parang nagpo-promo sila. And I don't know kung kailan nyo to nakita, but I think if nakita ninyo na naka-sale, grab nyo na while it's still there. Kasi nung tinry kong mag-check out ng isang product nila na gusto kong bilhin sana, agad-agad na sold out. Kasi nga nagpo-promo sila guys. Sold out tapos medyo matagal din ang restock nila. Advice ko, while it's still there, available pa siya sa mga naitag ko, hindi pa siya out of stock, na kayo, check out na. So thank you so much for watching guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye!